The next video. In today's video, so we will be getting started on learning VueJS. So yeah, let's get started. So firstly, like, this will be a very basic video of how to create a VueJS project. So if you want to create a VueJS project, you will have to use something called npm create vue at the rate latest, and vue CLI is pretty much dead, so don't use that. So just fire this command inside your terminal, and if you fire this command, it will ask you a bunch of questions like your project name. So I have just given it as first, whether you want to add TypeScript. I'm not sure whether what is this JSX support. Like, this is JSX is part of React.js. I'm not sure what view means, like whether we can mix and match React components in Vue.js. I'm not really sure, so I have kept it as no. Then I have added view router. So view router is used for navigating from one screen to another screen in SPAs, and Pinia I think is used for state management, so I have kept it as no because this is a very basic application. Then VTest for unit testing. If you want, you can add this, but I have added ESLint and Prettier for my project. Now once you do that, you will have to cd to your project and also run npm install manually, because this command won't run you this command won't run you will not install node modules for you when you create a project. That's why we have to run npm install manually. Then just run npm run format and npm run dev, and once you run npm run dev, you can go to localhost 5173 and you should be able to see your Vue application. Now I have changed your Vue application might look a lot different than mine. So what I have done inside app.vue, I have commented all the stuff. I just want only one route, which is my home page component, home view. And if you go to components, if you go to views, home view dot view, then here you can see, like, this is how you also here you will see a lot of boilerplate code. You can remove it if you want to. So if you are trying to import a component, you will use something like this. Then template is where your HTML would reside. So this is a main tag, and this is the h1 tag, and inside script you will actually write your JavaScript code. So here you can see I have just exported a function which has a method called data, and it just returns a first name. Now if you want to access it, you can directly access it between two curly brackets within any tag. So yeah, that's all for this video. Like, I wanted to keep it pretty simple because even I am learning it. I don't have much idea about it. Like, I have tried learning Vue.js in like 3-4 years back, but currently I don't remember much of it. That's why I'm trying to relearn it again. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.